If you want to delete your Expedia account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your information is removed from their system. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and log into your account using your email and password. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for options related to account management or privacy settings. Step 3. Find account deletion option. In account settings, search for the option to delete or deactivate your account. This may be listed under account preferences or security settings. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Carefully read the instructions provided for account deletion. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your password again or answering security questions. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After following the prompts, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Expedia account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to save any important information before initiating the deletion process.